Let's talk for a minute about senior design from a student's perspective. It's important to understand what is going through their minds as they work on this project. For them, this is possibly the first time that they've got to do a real project that actually means something to somebody, other than just a small class assignment. This is a large team project, which is fun for them. And they get to prepare for their postgraduate careers. And they'll get to meet people and learn practices from industry experts. Oftentimes, they've never met the students on their team. You also need to remember that this is one class among several others. Oftentimes, students are taking 5, maybe even 6 other classes. And this, we ask in senior design, a rather large time commitment. Those team times are 8 to 10 hours a week, plus another hour of sponsor meetings. Plus, sometimes there are classes that they have to attend. Oftentimes, they're working on projects that have technologies new to them. So there's a learning curve at the beginning. They're unfamiliar with scripting languages, frameworks, architectures, and other tools. Oftentimes, they don't know who is on their squad until they find out their project assignment, and they may have never met. So there's some team bonding that will happen in that first release timeframe. I do know that all the students have individual skills and motivations to complete a successful project. So what are some student tips for you, the sponsor? Be enthusiastic. Show them that your company is excited about this project. Show them accountability. Hold the students accountable and let the students know it's okay to hold you accountable as well. Give open and honest feedback. You'll get to do this at sponsor meetings, release meetings, as well as after each release meeting, the sponsor feedback form that will be sent to you from our development manager. Follow up on items that are important to you. Help them prioritize what they're working on. As we mentioned, expect that learning curve. And ensure team bonding. Give them your experiences when you've been on teams, how you bonded. Share that with them. We've talked about in other videos the definition of done, which is a solid, well-communicated definition of done is important because it sets the standard of quality. Push the team in a unified direction. Make sure everyone's on the same page. Have end user test systems and perform code reviews. Be a technical contact. If that's not you, maybe you have someone else in your company that can do that for you. Work hard to respond quickly. The students work in team times throughout the week, and we ask for most of that between the times of 8 to 5 p.m. But oftentimes it's not every day. Sometimes it's Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or just Tuesday, Thursday. And that's when they're most likely ask those questions. The teams will let you know when their team times are so you can be more aware of when questions might come.